Let us go through today's questions. So question number 1 is, if x plus 1 by x equal to 1, we have to find the value of this. Okay. So x plus 1 by x is 1, means that x square plus 1 equal to x, right? Or we can also write x square plus, okay, leave it as it is. Now coming to this part, x to the power 19 plus x to the power 9 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 3 plus 1. Okay, this is not 19, this is 12, my bad. Club both of them, so we'll get x to the power 6 common, and here we'll get x to the power 6 plus 1. Okay, now club these both common, so we'll get x to the power 3 common, x to the power 6 plus 1. Okay, and leave this one alone. Now this x to the power 6 plus 1 is can be taken as common. Okay, now we can write this as x to the power 6 plus x to the power 3 plus 1. Okay, now this from here we can take out x cube common, take x cube common. Okay, so this x cube is common, so we are left with x to the power 6, and we are left with x to the power 3 plus 1. Okay, now this plus 1 is outside. Now x cube plus 1. Okay, so we have here we have x square plus 1 equal to x. Okay, so x cube plus 1, leave it as it is. X cube plus 1 can be further rewritten as x plus 1, right? X square plus x plus 1. Okay, and plus 1. So this can be written like this. Okay, now we know that x square plus x plus 1 is sorry, I have written wrong. X square minus x plus 1. Okay, wrong identity I have written, this now is correct. Okay, now we know that x square plus 1 is what? X. So x square plus 1 can be written as x, so this can be written as x minus x, so this is 0. Okay, so if this is 0, this complete is in multiplication, so this complete will be 0, and 0 plus 1 will be 1. So 1 is the answer to this question. Next one, this was a good one, I guess. So question number 1 was a good one. Okay, let's see question number 2 now. A borrowed sum was paid in 2 installments of 1 to 1 each. Okay, if the rate is 10%, what is the sum borrowed? Okay, so suppose that P amount was borrowed. Okay, and each installment be x. Okay, and each installment is given to us as 1 to 1. So simply as you do the normal questions, it is like exact same. Might appear a bit what to say, spaghetti sort of, like not that straight, but it is a straight question. Okay, so sum borrowed. Okay, so P was borrowed, so after 2 years it will be how much? P into 1.1 square, right? Now 2 installments of 2, it will be, and this is x into 1.1 plus x, simply as we do normal SSCI questions. So you'll plug in 1 to 1, 1.1 plus 1 upon 1.1 square. So on solving you'll get 210 as the answer. Okay, so B is the answer to this question. Now Himgiria Juice Company has 2 bottles of juices. The first contains 50% water and rest is pulp. Okay, so 50% water and the 50% water and rest is pulp. Okay, second contains 25% water and rest is pulp. While the how much juice should be mixed from each of the containers so as to get the ratio of water to pulp as 6:10. Okay, so pulp to water is 6:10. So in percentage it will be 6/16. If I am to calculate the percentage, then water to this total flesh including pulp, okay, this will be 660 into 100, so in percentage it will be 37.5. Okay, so simple use of alligation, 37.5 is required, and we know that in the first case it is 50% and in the second case it is 25% water. Okay, so this will be 12.5, this will also be 12.5. Okay, so ratio will be 1:1, 1:1, so total is 16, so 8:8. So option A is the answer. Easy use of alligation. Now let us see this question. Ryansh had only 10 rupee 10 notes and 5 notes with him, and he went to stationery shop. He purchased 2 eraser and 6 pencil. Okay, so 2 eraser and 6 pencils. from the shop and paid the exact amount using 3 denominations. Okay, so he had only 10 and 5. So 3 denominations means 2 cases can be made. So 2x plus 6y is either 30, or by using 3 denominations of 10, or 2x plus 6y is 5 into 3 15 by using 3 denominations of 5. Okay, now we have to look for cases, okay, and solve. So this can be written as x plus 3y equal to 15, and here it cannot be further simplified. Okay, now if the price of pencil is 3 more than that of eraser, so pencil was y, so y minus x is 3. Okay, so solve this, both the cases will solve. Y minus means minus x plus y equal to 3. So when we add them, we get 4y equal to 18, and y as 4.5, y is 4.5. Okay, whereas in this case when we solve, this is minus, this is 3. Okay, multiply by 2 and add, so 6 to 8y, 8y equal to 21. Okay, so y we will get as 5 to 6 21. Okay, so y will get as 2.xx. okay, whatever it will be. We know that y minus x is 3, so y has to be greater than 3 value now. So this case, because we know that price won't be negative, so this case is gone, so we are left with only one case. Y we got as 4.5, x will be 1.5. okay, now what is the price of 2 erasers and 9 pencil? 9 into 4.5. okay, so this is 3 and this is 36 and 4.5, so 40.5, and this 3 43.5. okay, so 43.5 is the answer. Last one. In a circle, two parallel chords of on the same side of diameter having length this and this. Okay, so one property of chord you should know that more nearer to the diameter of the circle, more is the length of the chord. That's very obvious. You see this shape now. You will have a maximum length over here, then length will decrease from here now. So certainly more near you are to the diameter, more wider or lengthier you are. Okay, so which means that the chord with length 6 will be closer. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll draw perpendicular on each of the chords. Okay, so this will be 3 and this will be r. Okay, and this will be how much? This will be root over r square minus 9. Okay, so this is a perpendicular chord. Okay, now next chord is bit more this side. Okay, and the length of this will be 2 because 6 is the complete chord length, so it will be bisected, so that's why we took 3 over here and 2 over here. Okay, now we know that the distance between the chord is 1. Okay, and we also know that this will be radius only r. Okay, so again in this triangle we can apply in this triangle we can apply Pythagoras. Okay, so this is r, ignore this 3 is over here. Okay, so this is r square minus this 2 square is basically equal to root over r square minus 9 plus 1 whole square. Okay, just solve this. R square minus 4, here we'll get r square minus 9 plus 1 plus 2 root r square minus 9. Okay, everything looks correct. This gets cancelled. This is minus 8, this goes this side, minus 9 plus 1, so minus 8, this becomes 8, so 4 equal to root over r square minus 9, 13, so this becomes r equal to root 13. Okay, so we got the value of radius as root 13. So these were all the questions. I hope all of them are clear now.